Assalamu alaikum and good morning. Hope you all are fine and safe and sound at your homes. This is your Geo book and I'm your Geo teacher. Yesterday in video number 1, we have discussed the world map, the location of continents and oceans. Today is our Geo video number 2 and today we are going to discuss world in facts. World in facts is that topic which you people have started when you were in class 4. Half page you people have read in class 4 and half page you have read in class 5th. Then in class 6 you people have full complete page of world in facts, and today again we are going to discuss the complete page of world in facts. World's highest population. The first world's highest populated country is China. China is the first highest populated country of the world. The second highest populated country of the world is India. USA is the world's third highest populated country. The fourth highest populated country of the world is Indonesia. And Brazil is that country which is fifth highest populated country of the world. Now, the world's largest countries. The first largest country of the world is Russia. Canada is the second largest country of the world. USA is the third largest country of the world. China is that country which is fourth largest country of the world. Brazil is the fifth largest country of the world. It means USA is the third largest and also the highest populated country of the world, and Brazil is the fifth largest and also the highest populated country of the world. As you know, in World Infacts, we have to discuss the world's largest mountain, ocean, largest cities of the world, largest forest, rainforest, etc. Now, the largest ocean of the world is Pacific Ocean. I hope you people know what is meant by ocean. Ocean means a large mass of water, and we know that there are five oceans in the world. So, out of those five, the largest ocean is Pacific Ocean. The largest continent of the world where most of the people live is continent Asia. What is continent? A large area of land is called continent, and there are seven continents in the world. Out of those seven continents, continent Asia, where we people live, is that continent where most of the people live. The largest sea of the world is South China Sea. South China Sea is the largest sea of the world. The highest mountain of the world is Mount Everest. Mount Everest, which is in Nepal, is the highest mountain of the world, and its height is 8,850 meters. The coldest place of the world is Plateau Station, which is in Antarctica. The largest hot desert of the world is Sahara Desert. Sahara Desert is that desert which is the largest hot desert, and it is located in continent Africa. The largest cities of the world. The first largest city of the world is Tokyo, which is in Japan, and its population is 38 million. The second largest city of the world is Delhi. Delhi is the city of India, and its population is 23 million. The third largest city of the world is Mexico City of Mexico, and the population of Mexico City is 21 million. The first largest city is Tokyo, the second one is Delhi, and the third largest city of the world is Mexico City. The richest countries of the world. The first richest country of the world is Luxembourg. The second richest country of the world is Qatar. Norway is the third richest country. Switzerland is the fourth richest country. And the fifth richest country of the world is Australia. We also have the definitions on World in Facts page, like island. I hope you people know what is island. Island is a piece of land which is completely surrounded by water. That area, that piece of land which is surrounded by water is known as island. And the world's largest island is Greenland. Lake. Lake is a large area of water that is surrounded by land or mountains. A large area of water that is surrounded by land or mountains is known as lake. And the largest lake of the world is Caspian Sea, which is in Europe, Asia. Forest. Forest is a large area of land that is thickly covered with trees. And the largest forest of the world is Siberia, which is in Russia. Rainforest. Rainforest is found in areas near the equator and they are warm. Rainforests receive a lot of rain and they are also called equatorial or tropical forest. The trees in rainforest have a rapid growth as compared to other forests. And the largest rainforest of the world is Amazon rainforest, which is in South America. On page number 9 of our Geobook 7, we have the topic World in Facts. The world's highest populated countries. Number first, China. Number second, India. Number third, USA. Number fourth, Indonesia. Number fifth, Brazil. These are the first 5 world's highest populated countries. Now, the next is world's largest countries. The first largest country of the world is Russia. Second largest country is Canada. Third is USA. China is the fourth largest country and Brazil is the fifth largest country of the world. The smallest country of the world is Vatican City. It is inside the city of Rome, which is in Italy. The countries which are located in 2 continents. There are total 5 countries who are located in 2 continents. Number first country is Russia, second is Turkey, third country is Georgia, number fourth is Kazakhstan, and number fifth is Azerbaijan. These 5 countries are located in 2 continents. Then the largest forest in the world. The largest forest in the world is Siberia, which is in Russia. The largest rainforest in the world. The largest rainforest of the world is Amazon rainforest, which is in South America. Total countries in the world are 194. Longest rivers of the world. River Nile, which flows in Africa. Second longest river of the world is River Amazon, which flows in South America. And third longest river of the world is River Yangtze, which flows in Asia. The largest island of the world is Greenland. The largest lake of the world is Caspian Sea in Europe, Asia. The largest ocean of the world is Pacific Ocean. Largest sea is South China. The highest mountain of the world is Mount Everest, which is in Nepal, and its height is 8,850 meters. The hottest place of the world is Daelul, which is in Ethiopia, and the average annual rainfall of Daelul is 34 degree. The coldest place of the world is Plateau Station, which is in Antarctica, and the annual average temperature of Plateau Station is minus 56.7 degree. The wettest place of the world is Mausanram, which is in Assam, and Assam is the city of India. The driest place of the world is Atacama Desert. The largest hot desert is Sahara Desert, which is in Africa. The largest cold desert of the world is Antarctica. Most people live in continent Asia. Largest cities of the world population wise. The first largest city of the world is Tokyo, which is in Japan. The second largest city of the world is Delhi, which is in India. And Mexico City is the third largest city of the world. Tokyo's population is 38 million, the population of Delhi is 23 million, and the population of Mexico City is 21 million. Now, the richest countries of the world. The first richest country of the world is Luxembourg. The second richest country of the world is Qatar. Norway is the third richest country of the world. Switzerland is the fourth richest country of the world. And the fifth richest country of the world is Australia. The major languages of the world: Chinese, English, Hindi, Spanish, Russian, Arabic, Bengali, Portuguese, Malay Indonesian, and French. These 10 are the major languages of the world. Island. A piece of land completely surrounded by water is called island. What is lake? A large area of water that is surrounded by land or mountains. Forest. A large area of land that is thickly covered with trees is called forest. Rainforest. Rainforest is found in areas near the equator and are warm. Rainforests receive a lot of rain and also called equatorial or tropical forests. The trees in rainforest have a rapid growth as compared to other forests. Now, this is the end of the world in facts topic. I hope you people understand. Allah Hafiz, take care.